One of our best sellers in London. Studios2Let, North Gower provides stylish contemporary accommodations in a central London location. The studios are conveniently located beside Euston Square Tube Station and offer free 100 MB fibre optic Wi-Fi and shared laundry facilities. Accommodations at Studios2Let features a mix of contemporary design and wooden furnishings. They all come equipped with a flat-screen LCD TV featuring free digital channels and a private bathroom. The living area is beside the kitchen, which features a microwave. London Euston, which is one of the city's largest national rail stations, is just a 5-minute walk away and is on the Victoria and Northern Tube lines. Regent's Park is 2 stops away from Euston Square at Baker Street Tube Station, and Oxford Street is 2 stops away from London Euston. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.